Do not get any on the electronics.
Using your fingers or mechanical force to open the throttle body may damage the sensor. You may have to reset the throttle body, so I decided not to force it open. However, you want to clean the carbon deposits between the gaps of the opening. If you don't, the throttle body may work sluggishly during normal operation.
Now it's starting to come out.
Use the throttle body cleaner to clean the gaps. Also, don't use abrasives on the sides where the contacts need to be flush. The best method is to just use the cleaner and non-abrasive rag to clean the carbon deposits.
If you can, hold it this way so that if you get a spray, it doesn't drip down to the electronics. It drips down to the bottom, to the metal parts instead of the electronic parts. I mean, it was already clean to begin with, but it's actually much cleaner. I can actually see light coming through the holes. Not holes, the gap. Now it's starting to come